Ever wondered how to transform your garden with a touch of desert aesthetics? Welcome to the captivating world of cactus landscaping. This is an art form that embraces the raw, rugged beauty of the desert, bringing it right to your backyard. There's a wonderfully diverse range of cactus species to choose from, each with its own unique appeal. So whether you're a seasoned gardener or a green thumb in the making, cactus landscaping offers a refreshing perspective. Remember, cactus landscaping is not just about planting cacti, it's a creative journey. Why are desert aesthetics so appealing? There's a captivating simplicity to desert landscapes. The minimalist beauty that springs from the stark contrasts, the rugged terrain against the clear sky, draws us in. And then, there are the cacti. These resilient plants, thriving amidst harsh conditions, embody a certain raw elegance. Their unique shapes, textures, and blooms are a testament to the adaptability of life. Desert aesthetics, thus, are not just about the visuals, they're a celebration of resilience, of life's tenacity. Desert aesthetics are a testament to the beauty that thrives in challenging conditions. Ready to create your own slice of desert in your backyard? Start by selecting cacti species that thrive in your area. Consider your garden's sun exposure and soil quality. Cacti love well-drained soil and lots of sunlight. Next, group your plants. Play with heights and colors for visual interest. Maybe a tall saguaro as a centerpiece surrounded by flowering barrel cacti? The possibilities are endless. With careful planning, you can create a stunning cactus landscape that is low maintenance and high impact. Embracing desert aesthetics is about celebrating the beauty of resilience. Today, we've explored the allure of cactus landscaping and the steps you can take to create your own slice of desert beauty. Remember, it's all about selecting the right cacti, considering their needs, and arranging them to highlight their unique forms and textures. Enjoyed the journey through desert aesthetics? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspirations.